That's what I did.
What?
Don't be mad at me. Okay? I ate all your guys' candy last night. Did you hear me, Brooke? I'm sorry. Don't be mad. Are you mad at me? Why are you crying?
Because you're so sad.
Why are you sad?
I was a bubble gum. I was a little candy.
I'm just kidding. I didn't eat it all.